Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about ForEach loop and map function in JavaScript. So I have taken the example of fruits array. So I will be traversing this array using ForEach loop as well as the map function. So let's start with the ForEach first. So for example, you are interested to iterate the fruits array. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to write the name of the array dot ForEach, and inside of it we need to call a function that will be handling this. So I'm going to define the function here, and then after I need to console log the value which would be received over here. So actually when this function would be called, each time we will be able to receive a value of the array from the fruits. Alright, so let's see the output. If you will refresh this, you will get banana, orange and apple. So basically in this function we are receiving three parameters. First one is the value, second one is the index, and third one is the array itself. Alright, so let's see one after the other. We already seen the values. If we are checking the index, just I am saving it and let's refresh this. You can see that 0, 1, 2. That means we are getting the index. So if we are writing here the array and then printing that parameter, so what we will be getting, you can see here the each time we are getting the complete array in this ARR variable. Alright, so inside of it you can see that we have the index as well as the values. So in this way we are actually traversing our fruits array. So we have another way to access this. So what's that? Which is like using the map function. So I'm going to write here fruits.map, and then after I'm going to call the function again, and in the same way we will be receiving three parameters like value, index and array. If we are just refreshing this browser, you will get the same thing here. So if we are writing here the value, you will get the values here, and if you are writing here the index, then you will be getting the index of each of the value. So here we go. So you can see that both the things are same. So now what we wanted to understand here is like we have defined the function explicitly. I mean, this is the separate function that we need to call. So what we can do is we can use the arrow function. So in the previous video I have already told you that how you can use the arrow function. That is really simple. So what we will be doing here is we are going to write the parentheses and fat arrow and then curly brace. So this is the syntax of arrow operator, arrow function, and here we will be having the value and the index. Alright, value as well as the index. So whatever console statements we were writing here, we can also write over here. So how we will be writing? Console.log, and inside of it we are going to write value, and I'm going to comment this function here. So if you will see the output on the output screen, you will get the values which we were getting from this function as well. So this is the basic funda of arrow function, that for the simplicity we have used the arrow function here. If you are not interested to use the arrow function, then you can define the function explicitly and just call the function inside of this map. So in the same way you can use inside the ForEach as well. So I hope that you got the basic understanding of using ForEach loop as well as the map function to access the array, I mean traverse the array, and you are also getting the values, index and specific array as well. And even we have also explored the arrow function as well. So using the arrow function we could able to make our code more compact. I mean, we need not define the function explicitly. Alright, so I think you got the basic understanding of what we have done so far. So in the next video we will be learning something more. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So see you in the next video.